Hi friends, in this video I would be showing the head pillow of Green Soul Monster gaming and work from home chair. See, this is the head pillow. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, I am going to check what is inside. See, let me open this. So here you can find what is inside in this head pillow. See. This stitching is good. See, this material is soft. So this we can use to connect to the chair. So this is elastic. So this is required to hold this head pillow on the chair. So this is what we get. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.